Probably in the last class, if I know that they are graduating soon, they are in my courses, I would ask them, okay, do you have any plans? Where do you want to go? And if they tell me they are going to be a police or whatever, then I would probably follow up with a question and saying, well, is this your passion? Or are you doing this for the sake of getting a job or getting security? Then I will do this in front of the class so that the other people can actually know where my logic is coming from. And that's basically what I do at the class level. But at the program level, that we liaise alumni or people that they graduate from our programs, and we get them to come back and tell our graduating students what it's like to be out there as a counselor or maybe as a social worker. And that's basically what we do at the department and the program level. There are actually a lot, because after COVID and then with the population of the generative AI, there are a lot of jobs that it has become quite unstable. Actually, yesterday there was a survey that released and asked the soon-to-be graduate, what is your plan for your future? And almost 40% of them say that I'm not going to look for jobs until I know what I'm doing. So a lot of them thinking that maybe having a gap year would be good for them. So I kind of support this idea, but then they need to set up a time period. Otherwise, if they lose the momentum of moving on and getting on with life, and they might lose some of the social network they built at the university, and that actually leads to anxiety and depression and probably what we call social withdrawal. So basically what we do is we get the alumni to come back to our department, and then we have some sharing. Also, we invite some NGOs or non-governmental organizations that they employ counselors or social workers, and we have like a one-day matchmaking event. So the graduate students, they can listen to the sharing of the NGOs just to get to know the NGOs a bit more, so that they can plan ahead which one they want to go and what kind of population they want to serve. I would suggest that parents don't get too involved. Over-parenting is not good, especially they are adults already. But the parents can share if they have any people that they know in the network, in the social network. Then maybe set it up for their children to meet the people in the social network just to talk about that. But then don't get too involved. And if the parents, they have their own job searching experience, they can tell their children about that. But I'm sure that the time that when their parents searched for a job, it was too long ago. It's very different to now, but at least they will have an idea of how that was in the past. Now they can still probably apply some of these past experience to what's happening now. People do go through the help-seeking process quite differently, and they do have to explore a bit. So it's not so easy like a linear answer that, oh, you go to this place and find someone good. It's not like that. So even if I recommend one NGO to you, the people who work in that place might not be a perfect match for you. Be patient. You have to drift around sometimes, up and down, left and right, and just find the right person in the right place. But again, ask for information from the web, look for comments, and talk to people and be patient.